Welcome to Crypto Sage, helping to make money out of crypto. Today let's look at the 100x gem token on Pancakeswap. Before getting into it, please make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon for instant updates. Let's get it. Chord protocol has landed to revolutionize and decentralize the music industry. The global music market is expected to be $60 billion in 2021, while a big part of those revenues go to endless intermediaries, making the industry working very complex, slow and inefficient. Chord protocol is here to fix those problems, bring fairness, openness and efficiency to the industry by building a DAO-driven decentralized network for musicians where anyone can turn their songs, performances or any kind of music into unique NFTs and freely commercialize them without intermediaries. At the same time, music fans all over the world can enjoy and invest in authenticated music clips and creations while helping tokenize the music industry. Chord is the first truly decentralized global ecosystem connecting musicians, fans and industry players. It's available on Pancakeswap, link in description. And it has the best community who replies every doubts within seconds and the best Telegram community ever. On my prediction, it's a unique concept and unique tokenized system, so my expectation is minimum 100x from buying range. Chord DAO, driven by DPoS algorithm, will make all major decisions regarding future developments, products launches, key partnerships and integrations and new trading models be taken by free and open decentralized internet market. Main reason why I have invested in it. 1. Low cap under $4 million market cap. 2. Strong holders with plus 3,000 in less than 4 days. 3. Reaching 10 million burned. 4. Besides price growth, you are getting rewarded in every rebase cycle. 250,000 Chord are being distributed nearly every day. Investment is always based on your own risk and I'm not a financial advisor. All your investment depends on you and do market research before investing into it. And thanks for watching.